So I don't know what happened. The recording just stopped. But hey, whatever. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just go here, and from this we're gonna break out this part here. And we're just gonna go else. I'm gonna say print invalid input. Please try again. And there we go. So if I what's up there? Let's go try add. I'm not typing as of now for some reason. It's taking forever to stop and run again. Please add 2 and 8. So the result's 10. Let's do multiply 77, 3, 231. Let's go divide. And first number 12 and 0. And it's gonna say can't divide by 0. Let's go divide again. And first number 345 and actually uneven. 7. 7 is a good number. Can't divide by 0. Quit. Did I go ahead and mess up the code here? Okay, what? What's this? LF. Then we're just gonna break. Then we have our else. Then it stopped. Okay, great. So it's going great. Perfect. Code search. Run my project. Console. And clear the console. Now we're gonna just multiply 234. Wow. Divide 4, 33, 7. Or can't divide by 0. So for now, since I have started a new recording, we can kind of try to fix this. So what we have done here is we have done for this if result is equal to can't divide by 0, print error can't divide by 0. Now result is equals to can't divide by 0. Let's stick with this line. See if y 0 clear history divide 3. Okay, divide 3, 7. Okay, so now it's working. So that was the problem. Problem solved. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we solved that problem. And yeah. So we're done for today, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.